Welcome friends in part 2 of about a basic tip and basic fact of dairy farming. So for cross and English breeds, it's necessary the remedy to hard environment, and it can be covered by food and some other techniques, the best practical techniques in any other way. I will talk about it. I will ever talk about it. For cross and English breeds, it's necessary the remedy to hard environment, and it can be covered by fodder, food, and some other techniques. The best practical techniques, which I will talk about them in any other video in future. So you can't you cannot say that cows are totally dependent of weather and season, outdoor weather and season, but you can say it, they are partial dependent. They are very, very partial dependent. So thank you viewers, thank you very much. You gave your time, precious time, and inshallah ta'ala we meet in another video with any other burning issue or burning topic. Thank you very much. टेक केयर of you, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. टेक केयर अराउंड यू, अपने इर्द गिर्द का ख्याल रखें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.